Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 15th. Ratification of the U.S. Bill of Rights, 1791. On December 15, 1791, the United States officially adopted the first 10 amendments to its Constitution, known as the Bill of Rights. These amendments protected key freedoms, including free speech, religious choice, and fair legal processes. Their approval strengthened the foundation of American democracy. They also offered citizens safeguards against excessive government power. The ratification played a vital role in unifying the young nation. Today, the date is honored in the United States as Bill of Rights Day. Death of Chief Sitting Bull, 1890. On December 15, 1890, the respected Lakota Sioux leader Sitting Bull was killed during an attempted arrest by Indian Agency police. Officials suspected he supported the rising ghost dance movement, which heightened tensions. A conflict erupted, resulting in his tragic death. Native American communities were deeply shaken by the event. His loss represented the ongoing struggles between indigenous tribes and the U.S. government. It remains a significant and sorrowful moment in Native American history. World premiere of Gone with the Wind, 1939. On December 15, 1939, the legendary film Gone with the Wind held its world premiere in Atlanta, Georgia. The event drew massive crowds and became one of Hollywood's most extravagant celebrations. Fans gathered eagerly to see the cast and experience the long-awaited movie. The film soon became a major cultural milestone. It later won multiple Oscars and set new standards for epic filmmaking. Its premiere remains one of the most celebrated moments in cinema history. Disappearance of musician Glenn Miller, 1944. On December 15, 1944, renowned American band leader Glenn Miller disappeared while flying over the English Channel. He was en route to perform for U.S. troops during World War II. His plane vanished without sending any emergency message. Despite extensive searches and investigations, the aircraft was never located. The mysterious disappearance became one of the most enduring aviation puzzles of the war. Miller's timeless music, however, continues to inspire generations. Walt Disney passes away, 1966. On December 15, 1966, Walt Disney, one of the most influential figures in entertainment, passed away in Los Angeles. He created a global media empire and beloved animated characters known across generations. His death shocked fans and the film industry. Disney had already transformed animation and storytelling through his creativity. His legacy continues to shape movies, theme parks, and global culture. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.